What if I told you that there's a natural way to cleanse your body, burn stubborn fat, boost your brain power, and even strengthen your immune system, all without a single pill or supplement? Doctors won't tell you this, but there's a powerful secret your body holds, and it has the potential to completely transform your health. What is it? It's fasting. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you stop eating for 36 hours. We'll dive into how your body reacts, the incredible health benefits that unfold at each stage of the fast, and why fasting could be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. When people are diagnosed with a chronic illness, whether it's diabetes, heart disease, or even cancer, it often feels like there are no options left other than medication. You're told that managing your condition with drugs is your best bet. But what if there's something more? What if your body already has everything it needs to heal itself? The truth is that your body has a built-in mechanism for repairing and regenerating itself, a natural detox process known as autophagy. In this video, we'll explore how autophagy works, how fasting activates this process, and the amazing benefits you can experience after just 36 hours without food. So what exactly is autophagy, and why is it so important? Autophagy, which means self-eating, is a process where your body breaks down and recycles damaged cells and other cellular debris. Think of it as your body's way of taking out the trash. It eliminates old, malfunctioning cells and replaces them with new, healthy ones. This process not only helps keep your cells functioning at their best, but it also protects you from diseases like cancer and neurodegenerative disorders, and even accelerates fat loss. But here's the catch. Autophagy doesn't just happen alone. For this process to be triggered, your body needs to be fasting. That's right. When you stop eating for long enough, your body switches into repair mode, cleaning out toxins and regenerating tissues. And this is where fasting comes in. Let's look at what happens in your body hour by hour when you stop eating for 36 hours. The benefits start earlier than you might think. After about 8 hours without food, your body starts to make some interesting changes. At this point, your blood sugar levels begin to drop, and your body starts using stored glucose for energy. Once your glucose stores are depleted, your body switches to burning fat, a process known as ketosis. In ketosis, your liver starts producing molecules called ketones, which your brain can use as an alternative energy source. The result? You'll often feel a sense of increased mental clarity and focus, even this early into your fast. At the 12-hour mark, ketones are in full effect. Your brain starts running more efficiently on this clean-burning fuel, and you may notice that your energy levels stabilize. This is also when the hunger hormone ghrelin starts to decrease. So while you might feel hungry at first, your cravings will begin to subside. Interestingly, studies have shown that by 12 hours, your body also starts ramping up autophagy. Your cells are now in repair mode. Old, damaged cells are being cleared out, making way for newer, healthier ones. It's like a cellular detox. By the time you've hit 13 hours of fasting, something even more remarkable happens. Your body starts producing more growth hormones. Growth hormone is essential for maintaining muscle mass, burning fat, and slowing down the aging process. For men, this can be particularly significant. After just 15 hours of fasting, testosterone levels can surge by an astonishing 1,300%, which not only boosts metabolism but also supports muscle building and fat loss. Additionally, fasting at this stage starts to reduce levels of CRP, C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation in your body. Lower inflammation means a healthier immune system, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and even a slower aging process. As you continue fasting past the 17-hour mark, autophagy kicks into high gear. Your body starts identifying and breaking down zombie cells, those dysfunctional, damaged cells that can accelerate aging and even lead to cancer. By the time you reach 24 hours, your digestive system gets a complete reset. Your gut begins to repair itself, regenerating the lining with intestinal stem cells. This can help improve gut health, which is key for better digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mental health. A healthy gut has been linked to improved mood, reduced anxiety, and better overall well-being. 36 hours, the transformation. Now we reach the 36-hour mark, where some of the most profound changes take place. At this stage, your body shifts to burning stubborn fat, particularly the kind stored around your abdomen, fat that's been resistant to diet and exercise. Your metabolism becomes more efficient, and the fat that's burned at this stage is converted into ketones, further fueling your brain and keeping you mentally sharp. Your brain also undergoes significant changes. After 36 hours of fasting, your brain's hunger centers are rewired, and you'll likely notice that food cravings have diminished. Fasting also boosts the production of a protein called BDNF, brain derived neurotrophic factor, which supports brain health, enhances learning and memory, and may even protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. But perhaps one of the most significant benefits of a 36-hour fast is the impact on your immune system. Studies have shown that fasting for this duration can completely reset and regenerate your immune system by stimulating the production of new, healthy white blood cells. This makes your body more resilient to infections and diseases. You're probably wondering if you should be fasting for 36 hours regularly. While the benefits are undeniable, the answer is no. You don't need to fast for 36 hours every week to experience these effects. Instead, consider incorporating a 36-hour fast once a month. This can be especially effective if you're looking to lose weight, improve mental clarity, or simply boost your overall health. And if you're dealing with specific health issues, like mental health struggles, you could try a 48-hour fast once per quarter to see even greater benefits for mood regulation and cognitive function. If you're new to fasting, start with intermittent fasting, where you fast for 12 to 16 hours and eat within a smaller window. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually extend the fasting period to 24 or even 36 hours. The key is to listen to your body and find a routine that works for you. What you eat after breaking a fast is just as important as the fast itself. Choosing the right foods can maximize the benefits of autophagy and help you maintain the positive effects of fasting. 1. Avocado. One of the best foods to break your fast with is avocado. It's rich in healthy fats that help turn off your hunger hormone, so you won't feel the urge to overeat. Plus, avocados are loaded with potassium and fiber, making them a great choice for restoring your body's nutrients after a fast. 2. Coffee. Surprisingly, coffee can enhance autophagy. Studies have shown that drinking organic, mold-free coffee can stimulate autophagy in your liver, muscles, and heart. Just be sure your coffee is high quality, as conventional coffee is often loaded with pesticides and toxins, which can undermine the benefits of fasting. 3. Green tea. If coffee isn't your thing, green tea is another excellent option. Green tea not only stimulates autophagy but also offers neuroprotective benefits. Drinking green tea regularly can help boost brain function and protect your cells from aging. 4. Olive oil. High-quality olive oil is another powerful tool in promoting autophagy. It's been shown to reduce beta-amyloid proteins, which are linked to Alzheimer's disease. Just remember not to heat olive oil to high temperatures, as this can turn it into an inflammatory fat. 5. Turmeric. Finally, turmeric is a superstar when it comes to promoting autophagy and fighting inflammation. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to support cell repair and prevent the growth of cancerous cells. For maximum effect, combine turmeric with black pepper to improve its absorption into your cells. The long-term benefits of fasting. Incorporating fasting into your life isn't just a temporary health fix. It's a long-term strategy for enhancing your well-being. Regular fasting helps your body clear out old toxic cells, produce new ones, and regenerate key tissues like your gut and immune system. Whether it's for weight loss, mental clarity, or disease prevention, fasting can help you take control of your health. Remember, the power to heal is already inside you. Sometimes, you just need to give your body the chance to unlock it.